Hi everybody, welcome back. Another technical tips. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the three new Java tools tried in 2021. My name is Daniel O. You have heard about a lot of Java tools for developer standpoint, even DevOps team to try to new application framework or some building tool or deploying tool for microservice application or serverless function, regardless of Kubernetes cluster. But today we're going to talk a little bit about what kind of new Java tool you should be aware of and then you need to try on in 2021. So despite of popularity of Python and Go, even though JS for implementing artificial intelligence and machine learning applications or serverless function on top of the Kubernetes, Java technologies still played a key role in developing enterprise applications. According to Developer Economy last year, there are more than 8 million Java developers out there to use Java technology for developing, maintain enterprise application. That's really interesting news for us because maybe some people already think about Java is dead, but that's not true according to this survey. So for my case, with more than 25 years around the Java application, even multiple program language experiences, there are always new trends and tools and frameworks in the Java world which can empower your application and your career. The vast majority of Java frameworks are designed for long-running processes with the dynamic behaviors for running mutable application servers such as bare metal or virtual machine, just a few app servers. Things have changed since the Kubernetes containers were unleashed in 2014, which means the biggest issue with using Java application on Kubernetes is optimizing application performance by decreasing memory preference, speeding start and response times, and reducing file sizes. So what kind of new Java framework we need to think about it specifically this year? So basically, the Java developer are also always looking for the easier ways to integrate shiny new open source tools and projects into their Java application and daily work. This significantly increases developer productivity and motivates more enterprises and individual developers to keep using Java stack. When you try to meet that expectation, just like I mentioned earlier, for the enterprise Java ecosystem, you definitely need to think about the next three Java framework and tools for your Java daily works. First of all, as you see, Quarkus. The Quarkus is designed to develop cloud-native microservices and serverless with amazingly fast boot time and incredibly low latency set size, also known as RSS memory, and high density memory utilization in container orchestration platform, just like Kubernetes or Red Hat OpenShift container platform. So that's why people say supersonic subatomic Java. According to J. Rebel's ninth annual Global Java Developers Productivity Report, the usage of the Quarkus by Java developers rose 60% from less than 1%. At the same time, Micronaut and Vertex grew to only 4% and 2% respectively. The both up from roughly 1% last year. This is one of the great proof the Quarkus is amazingly popular to Java ecosystem. So next framework and tools is Eclipse JQ. Eclipse JQ enables Java developers to build container images based on cloud-native Java application using Docker zip from Google, the packaging tool, or a custom image build strategy on OpenShift container platform. It also generated Kubernetes and OpenShift manifests at compile time and improve developer experience with debugging, watching, and logging tools. Previously, you heard about Fabricate is one of the tools from Maven and Gradle command line for Java developer to packaging application. At the same time, the command line deploy the application with the containerization. So JQ is success of the Fabricate. So it's a more focused on cloud of Java application with a hustle. The last and least, the microprofile. So Microprofile solves the biggest problems related to optimizing enterprise Java application for microservice architecture without adopting new frameworks or refactoring entire application. So for example, think about it. There are more than 10 million Java developers, maybe 80% of them still struggling with the enterprise Java application, also known as a monolith application, like a Java EE or enterprise Java application. So they're still really willing to migrate or modernize the monolith application to microservices with some architecture for Kubernetes application, something like that. But it's really hard to refactor or rewrite every single application at one time. That's not possible, trust me. So Microprofile was born to address that issues. So furthermore, microprofile specification, for example, as you see, health checking, open tracing, open API, fault tolerance metrics configuration, and JSON Web Token. There are a lot of capability which you need on your enterprise Java application on top of the Microsoft application. And also you can develop in line with the Java EE implementation. In order to recap the technical topic for today, it's really hard to say which Java frameworks or even tools are the best choices for enterprise Java developers to implement their business requirements. So I would say as long as there's a room for improvement in the Java stack and accelerating enterprise businesses, you can expect new frameworks and tools and even platform like a just like I showcased 3 Java new framework tools today for becoming available. Spend some more time looking at these great frameworks and tools to see and if you can improve your enterprise Java application in 2021. If you have any question around the 3 Java framework and tools, please reach out to me directly. I'm more than happy to address your question. Thanks for watching. Have a good rest of the day.